So I ended up getting an iPhone 11. Well, I ended up getting an iPhone 11 many, many years ago, and I just repackaged my older iPhone 11, and I wanted to showcase everyone what it would look like if you just bought a brand new iPhone 11. The craziest thing is that you got so much stuff inside of the box of the iPhone 11, and when you think back to basically what our iPhone was, what we're getting now, the box sizes are completely different. It's just not even funny. You can see how thick these boxes are, and this I couldn't even repackage everything back in, like it's so thick. Now, this iPhone 11 that I did have was actually a 64 gigabyte variant. It was a very good iPhone. I still use it sometimes for some videos, and overall, I got a really good experience with it. It's a pretty solid device without a doubt. Now, within this iPhone 11, unboxing it is pretty easy. You just take out the top, and then you would have normally probably had your iPhone sitting at the top right here some way. You probably would have had some, screen protector on it of some sort. So you would have had the standard, screen and everything like that. So you can see pretty much still in really decent condition. Like I haven't even put a case on this thing yet, and this thing still has a really good build to it. Like very few scratches for sure. Now you're also getting stickers and like a bunch of Apple pamphlets as well. That's normally what you would get. Now you would not get it like this. You would get it much cleaned out, much cleaner way. But I do actually still have. I don't remember if these are the actual stickers I had with it, but you still got this like power on off your particular iPhone 11. I don't know what color iPhone 11 this was, but you were getting a lot of cool stuff within these pamphlets. You're also getting SIM card tray removal, which we no longer have because our iPhones do not have SIM card trays. Now you're also getting Earpods inside of the case as well. They've since removed this. We no longer have Earpods. You can still buy them separately, but that was something that was really cool. These are actually brand new. I have never even opened these yet. But that was another really cool thing going on for these particular, iPhones. You were just able to get literal headphones inside of your particular, device, which was really cool. On top of that, you were still getting a charging cable, which was very nice too. You were still able to get this, which was, you still get, but this one was USB-A back then. And you're also able to get a charging brick, which we no longer have. We no longer have this inside of the box yet, anymore either. So when you take a look at everything you were getting inside of the box, you were actually getting quite so much so, in fact, that it's kind of hard to fit on this table. But you can kind of see that overall, you were getting a ton of stuff within your iPhone. And it kind of makes me sad nowadays too, because when you take a look at all the iPhones that we have nowadays, I mean, you are definitely missing out on so many things. So I will tell anyone, including Apple, hey, if you're planning on, bringing anything back in, I hope you can start, bringing in some of these older accessories and some other things that we used to have, because I do think it was a pretty crazy thing when they used to give us so much stuff. Now they don't really give us too many things. They kind of make us pay and overcharge for some stuff, but with the iPhone 11, I think this was a very solid experience because this was the last iPhone they ever had, where they basically gave us everything inside of the box. So I'd love to hear your thoughts about this. Let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.